Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and change skins in One Piece Pirate Warriors 4. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, the very first step would be for you to simply access your particular app. Once you have done so, here in this menu section, all you have to do is simply access the character select option. Once you are here in this section, all you have to do is tap on this change costume. Now, I would like to correct the thing is, if you would like to specifically change the color of the character's skin, you can actually try to go for over all of possible options right there in your game, and you won't be able to access that option. You only have an option of changing costume. So for that, choose a character, tap on this change costume as below highlighted. Come over crew guide and choose one particular that you would like to change to. You will be able to check out the percentage if they are completed or not. Once you have checked that particular out, you will be able to confirm it. In the bottom you will find that option, confirm the particular character and the costume, and you're good to go. Your character will definitely be changed with the costume, aka the clothes, not the skin. So you're all, unfortunately, this is it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.